So, here I am, about to do a 10K. It's about 11:30 at night. I'm tired. I don't feel well. I'm sore. But I said I was going to do a 10K this week for a challenge, and I'm going to do a 10K. So I'm about to go get on my treadmill, and I'll show some periodic, I guess, footage or pictures of my progress. I expect to finish, I don't know, sometime after 1:30. And why do it this late, would you say? Because I said I would. I'm already off track this week. Should have done it the other day. I didn't, but it's supposed to be done this week, and by golly, I'm going to do it this week. Not going too fast. I'm at 3.2 miles per hour, only an incline of 3. So I'm on track for it to take 2 hours. So here we go. Slow but steady. Alright, check in soon. Okay, halfway through. Been walking for an hour. Have another hour to go. Like I told you, I started off already sore and tired, and so I must tell you, I am feeling tired now. And I'm only 85 minutes, 4.5 miles in. So I'm feeling like stopping, but I'm not going to. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to change my speed down to 3 miles per hour. That might help. Alright, see you soon. So the treadmill reset after basically 100 minutes. Scared me because it just stopped. I guess I've never been on it for 100 minutes. I have been on it for that long before, so I guess it's done it before and I just didn't remember. So anyway, so it's going to reset, so the time looks like it's starting over again, but you'll see it's keeping the calories and it's keeping the distance, 5.23 miles, so I have about a mile to go. Alright, bye. Okay, finished. That's 20 minutes plus the other 60. 6.25. This says 720 calories. My heart rate monitor has like about 1700. I hate that these things never are even close. So anyway, it took me exactly 2 hours. That's so slow. That's okay. I did it, and I'm glad I did it. So that's it. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Thanks, Jay, Nappy Beauty, for the challenge. All your challenges are so great. They push me right when I need to be pushed, which is always. Alright, bye everybody.